Ang pangalan po niya ay si Mayor, dating Mayor.
Ben Noah Ray. I don't know if I could give his last name because of the situation ngayon. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Ben Noah Ray.
So, nakikita natin sa video ngayon ito, no?
Yes.
So, he seems to have been the one to perform the ritual na hinihintay-hintay ng mga Hudyo na wala pang nakakagawa kung hindi siya. At tila itong pagkaka-ritual nga dito sa Wailing Wall, was it? Near the Wailing Wall?
Yes.
Yun yung hinihintay nilang perfect execution noong ritual na kanilang hinihintay ayon sa kanilang mga kasulatan din. Well, is that correct?
More or less. Pero maganda yung sinabi nyo na pag-usapan nyo kanina, nakikinig ako about blood sacrifice. Ito ang view ng dalawa. Christian view, Jesus is the perfect sacrifice. Namatay siya once and for all. Pero mga theologians, you have to rightly divide the word of truth. Ang mga Hudyo, hindi sila naniniwala pa kay Kristo na perfect sacrifice, kaya mag-o-offer pa sila ng mga burnt offering. Yan po ang talagang part ng kanilang worship. The way that they get close to Yahweh is their sacrifice.
So this is what this Ben Noach did.
Yes.
He looked for the perfect, what is it, a dove?
Dove.
A perfect dove. And yun ang kanyang ginawang sakripisyo doon sa
Temple Mount area.
temple, yes. So,
Mount area.
and that was documented, no?
It is
As you
documented.
can see now, yes, it is documented.
As you could see on the video clips, ito po ay kinunan doon sa Mount Zion area. Ang sabi ng Pilipino, huwag niyo kong kunan ng mga camera, malalayo mga camera shots. Pinerform to right in the very eyes of the Jewish people na nakapag-sacrifice siya based on Torah. Ang pagpatay niya ng dove ay according to the laws and commandments ng Torah. At excited, Corina, ang mga Orthodox Jew. At sinabi sa kanya,
Nag-iiyakan pa sila sa video when they were talking
Correct.
about it.
and they declare him as the first righteous Gentile
Or Ben Noach.
or Ben Noach. Maraming Ben Noach worldwide. Katulad yung gumawa ng kay Spielberg na pelikula Raiders of the Lost Ark, Ben Noach ang talagang nagtip noon. But he is the only Ben Noach that the Jewish Orthodox people are so excited sapagkat yung na-perform niya noong 1997, siya lang according to the Jews.
At para sa mga hindi